I quickly want to show you one of my favorite skin products as of lately. I have acne prone skin. I have acne prone skin since puberty, so I have to be very selective in what I use. I have been using this PanOxyl Acne Foaming Wash for 6 weeks now, and I do use some other acne products, to help relieve from the acne, but this has been the cherry on the cake, so to say. So despite I'm using some other products already which did help with my skin, this I still had some little spots here and there, but this has been an absolute game changer. So it contains a benzoyl peroxide, and I am familiar with using benzoyl peroxide, but before I've been using it as a gel that you just apply after washing your skin, and I had like ups and downs using it that way. I also one time developed like a rash from it, so I stayed away from it. But this has been so good, since you just leave it on the skin for a few minutes and just wash it off, and then I just apply my other product. Long story short, this is a product I would highly recommend. I will keep on using this product. It's been so good. It's also been tested by dermatologists. If you haven't tried this out before, definitely try it out. Definitely give it a try.